Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm in Shanghai, China, recording in mid-April 2026. See a very large tower in the background. This is the Waterfront area, or the Bund. I had previous videos in that area, up top on a wall, seeing the sights, but now we're on the ground and seeing some shops. This is the, if I'm pronouncing it correctly, the Huangpu River cruise section and a tourist info area. See a mascot on the wall and many shops down below. Looks like an ice cream cone, looks like a convenience shop. Happy New Year. And many souvenirs for sale. See various pandas in the back and a replica of that tower that we saw in the distance. Various chopsticks, figurines, and more. A fire extinguisher box, and looks like some popcorn and ice cream for sale, or maybe some fake treats recommended by the store manager. It looks like boba tea. You see Love With You, coffee, various drinks, and there's the boba in the back. See what looks to be KFC. Looks like a different version of the Colonel, the mascot, and what looks to be some arcade games in the back as well. And it indeed is KFC, as you can see that on the wall. They have different things for sale. Looks like some pizza, drinks, coffees, in its own Chinese theme. Family Mart looks like another convenience store like we saw before. Various drinks for sale, snacks, gummy bears, Dairy Queen, macadamia nuts and almond flavor. Feel the fun. Dairy Queen Love Shanghai. Better ingredients, better pizza shop. It's early, it's about 8:30, 9 o'clock, so not all of these places are open. You can see the various pizza. Looks like a star shape, seafood flavor, beef blade steak pizza, and another type down below. More stores up ahead. Looks like another store with sweets or pastries. See various pastries up above, and 2026, year of the horse. Various baked goods down below. Chocolate ice cream cones, pastries, and much more. See the Chinese lantern art on the wall. And now we're at a gelato shop with other food. Looks like some sandwiches, Moon Met Mountain, ice cream, coffee, and more. Some mascots on the wall, more Happy New Year, hot dogs, drinks, shawarma, lots of different types of food. Matcha donuts, sugar donuts, jelly drinks, and here's a Starbucks. It is open, it is early, so coffee shops, we could expect to see that. See Shanghai on the bag in the background, and various souvenirs as well. Shanghai local noodles, another coffee shop, and a crab house, crab cuisine. Walking by a dumpling store, Shanghai local noodles, and we have hello, nice to meet you, Chinese characters on the wall. Other coffee shop here, Costa or Costa Coffee, and a chicken shop with some dumplings or buns as well. This is a New Year dumpling 2026, get rich 2026. Pretty cool art at the shops here in the Bund area, the waterfront area. There's also the financial district and East Nanjing Road. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Shanghai, China. Stay tuned for more content.